Hi, let's talk about domain. Today, we will be getting the domain of polynomial function, fraction or rational function, and radical function. Let's start! Sisimulan natin sa polynomial function. Ang polynomial function ay under nito ang linear function, quadratic function, and polynomial function. Siyempre yung mas mataas pa na degree kaysa dun sa degree 2. So let's start with the polynomial function. I will be giving you several examples. Let's start with the simple one, the linear function. Let's have the f of x is equal to 5x plus 10. Let's have the value of x, that is 1 and negative 1, yun yung pinaka-simple. 5 times 1 is equal to 5 plus 10 is equal to 15. How about negative 1? 5 times negative 1 is equal to negative 5 plus 10 is equal to positive 5. So, kahit anong i-substitute mo, either negative or positive, magbabalue pa rin siya ng isang output na hindi magkapareha. So, let's have the second one. F of x is equal to 3x minus 4. So, let's substitute. 3 times 1 minus 4 is equal to negative 1. 3 times negative 1 minus 4 is equal to negative 7. How about this one? F of x is equal to 4x squared plus 4x plus 8. Let us use the positive 1. So, 4 times 1 squared is equal to 4 plus 4 times 1 is equal to 4. So, 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Anong papansin natin is either positive or negative ang isubstitute natin, siya ay magre-result ng isang output. How about this one? Ano ang kanyang domain? All real numbers. Bakit all real numbers? It's either positive, negative, or 0 ang value ng ating domain or ang value ng ating x. How are we going to write it in interval notation? So, kung siya ay negative integers, paano natin siya isusulat? At kung siya ay positive integers, paano natin siya isusulat? So, let's have the open parenthesis. Kasi open parenthesis, that is for infinity, so, negative infinity, comma, positive infinity, close parenthesis. Meaning yan, kapag nakakita kayo ng ganyan, ang kanyang value ng domain ay all real numbers. How about this second example? We have the second example for the next kind of function, that is the rational function. Second function rather. So, in a rational function, ano nga siya? Mukha siyang fraction. Fourth example, we have the f of x is equal to 10 over x plus 5. Ano yung rule natin dito? Ano yung law? Dapat hindi mag-equal to 0 yung denominator. So, anong value ng x ang mag-equal to 0 ang denominator? That is negative 5. Bakit? Negative 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. So, negative 5, hindi siya pwedeng maging value ng x. So, hindi siya pwedeng maging value ng x nun. X cannot be negative 5. So, x is not equal to negative 5. Therefore, ano yung domain niya? Let's have the number line. Paano siya idodrawing sa number line? Kapag open yung circle, ang ibig sabihin nun, hindi included yung number. Tandaan nyo, pag open yung circle, hindi included yung number. Ano yung included natin ng mga numbers? yung mabababa sa negative 5 at matataas sa negative 5. Lahat ng numbers na mababa sa negative 5 at lahat ng numbers na mataas sa negative 5 included yon. Kasi nga, except lang yung negative 5 dahil magiging 0 yung denominator pag ginamitan natin ng negative 5 na value ng x. So, kahit anong number na negative maliban sa negative 5 at kahit anong number na positive. So, how are we going to write it in interval notation? So, papunta siya sa negative. So, negative infinity, comma, negative 5, close parenthesis, the union of negative 5 to positive infinity. So, that's siya parenthesis kasi hindi included si negative 5. Pag hindi included, parenthesis ang gagamitin natin. Let's have the other example for rational function. Let's have f of x is equal to 3x plus 5 all over x squared minus 4. Pwede ba siyang i-factor? Kapag ganyan nakita nyo, kapag quadratic, i-factor nyo muna siya. So, pwede ba siyang i-factor? Pwede. No? Pwede natin siyang i-factor. Ano yung factor niya? We have the sum and difference, that is x plus 2 and x minus 2. Kapag kinompute mo siya, kapag pinag-multiply mo siya, ang magiging resulta niya will be x squared minus 4. So, ano yung dapat hindi niya maging value? Kapag sinubstitute natin siya ng negative 2 at saka 2, magiging 0, right? Negative 2 squared minus 4 is equal to 0. 2 squared minus 4 is equal to 0 pa rin. So, dapat hindi siya maging negative 2, hindi rin siya maging positive 2 kasi magiging 0 siya. Now, ilagay natin sa number line. We have the negative 2 and 2. Included ba siya? Hindi. Kaya hindi mo siya shadan yung gitna ng circle. Kaya siya ay open circle ang ating magkaka-drawing sa kanya number line. Now, included yung gitna ng from negative 2 to 2, also the negative and positive. How we're going to write it? Negative infinity, comma, negative 2, the union of negative 2, comma 2. Bakit? Parenthesis ang ginamit natin kasi hindi included si negative 2 and 2. Then, union of 2, comma, positive infinity. Kasi mga positive numbers pwede maging domain o value ng x. So, sa gitna ng negative 2 at 2, included. Kaya, kung makikita natin yung gitna ay ganyan yung pagkakasulat natin sa interval notation. Maliban lang sa negative 2 at 2. Let's have the another example. Example number 7. F of x is equal to 5x plus 7 all over x squared minus 7x plus 10. So, sabi natin, ifa-factor muna siya. Sa anong factor? Nagbe-base tayo sa last number. Ano yung pag binag-multiply natin ay 10 na mag-result sa negative 7? So, that is 5 and 2. 5 and 2. Bakit siya parehas negative? Let us check. By FOIL method, x times x squared. So, we have the outer by outer, x times negative 5, negative 5x. We have inner by inner, negative 2 times x, negative 2x. Kapag pinag-add natin siya, negative 2x plus negative 5x is equal to negative 7x. Negative 2 times negative 5, we have the positive 10. How are we going to write it down? Dapat hindi maging equal to ano? Hindi maging equal to 2 and equal to 5. Yung number. Kasi pag inequate natin yung x minus 2 at x minus 5, siya ay x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 5. Pag sinubstitute natin siya dun sa equation, magiging siyang 0. So, x cannot be 2 and x cannot be 5. X is not equal to 2 and x is not equal to 5. Kasi magiging 0. Pero pwede siyang yung mga positive integers and negative integers at yung nasa gitna, no? 2 and 5. 3, 4. Pwede yun. At saka yung mga nasa gitna kanila. Now, how are we going to write it? Kung pwede yung negative, we have the negative infinity. Maliban lang sa 2. So, siya ay close parenthesis. Parenthesis ang gagamitin. Union of 2, 5. Union of 5, positive infinity. Number 8 example. Let's have f of x is equal to 2x minus 3 all over x squared plus 9. Ano yung pwedeng isubstitute natin sa x? Let's try the 3 and negative 3. Pareha siyang 3 pero yung isa positive, isa ay negative. 3 times 3, 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. Let us substitute negative. Negative 3 times 3, negative 3 is equal to 9 plus 9, 18 pa rin. So, hindi siya magiging equal to 0. Kapag ganun yung case, pwede kahit anong number. It's either negative numbers or positive numbers. So, let's have the all real numbers. It can be negative numbers, it can be positive numbers. Kasi hindi siya mag-equal to 0 kahit anong number. We have the number 9 example. F of x is equal to 2x minus 3 all over x cubed plus 8. Ano yung value ng x natin na magiging siyang 8? So, we have the 2. Let's try the 2 and negative 2. So, x is equal to 2. Let's substitute 2 times 2 times 2, that is 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. So, check, hindi siya naging 0. Dapat hindi maging 0 yung baba. Let's have the negative 2. Negative 2 times negative 2, that is positive 4 times negative 2, that is negative 8. Negative 8 plus 8 is equal to 0. So, hindi pwedeng maging value ng x si negative 2. X cannot be negative 2. How are we going to draw it? So, negative 2, hindi siya included. So, siya ay magiging open. Open yung circle. Open yung circle natin dyan sa negative 2. Sorry, napahaba yung nasa left side. Ganyan pa rin yung interpretation naman niya. So, pwede siya yung mga negative numbers, so, negative infinity natin yan. Maliban sa negative 2. So, except negative 2, kaya siya ay parenthesis. So, negative infinity to negative 2, union of negative 2 to positive infinity. Except lang nga ay yung negative 2 na number. Pwede kahit ano, maliban sa negative 2. How are we going to write the foundation here? How about the 10? Number 10 example. Number 10 natin, that is example for radical function. Are we going to get the domain for radical function? Kung sa rational function, bawal 0 dun sa denominator, radical function, nandito ay maging negative yun nasa loob ng square sign. Bawal siyang maging negative. Pwede siyang maging 0 yung loob, pero bawal maging negative yung x. Ay, yung nasa loob ng radical sign, rather. So, bawal siya maging negative yung nasa loob ng radical sign. Kaya, dapat ang isubstitute natin yung mag-result siya into positive or pwede ang maging 0. Dun sa isa, sa rational, hindi pwedeng maging 0 yung baba. Dito, pwedeng maging 0. So, x minus 4 is equal to 0. Ano yung value ng x natin? X is equal to 4. Pwede ba siya 4 Opo, pwede si 4. Ano pa yung pwedeng value natin ng x na magiging siyang positive? So, pwede si 4 kasi 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Pwede ang 0 na nasa loob ng radical sign. So, ano yung value pa ng x natin na pwede? Pwede ba si 5? Pwede si 5 kasi 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Positive number siya. Kapag si 3 minus 4 is equal to negative 1. Pwede ba si 3? Hindi. So, 5 is greater than 4 and 3 is less than 4. So, ang kailangan nating numbers ay greater than 4 para mag-isang positive. Therefore, ang value ng x natin, x is greater than or equal to 4. Pwede siya maging equal, pwede siya maging greater than, pero bawal siya maging less than. Tandaan, pwede siyang maging 0, pero bawal maging negative. Now, bakit siya ay naka-shade yung circle? Kanina open circle siya, ngayon naka-shade na. Kasi included si 4. Kapag hindi included, open circle siya. Kapag included, shaded yung loob. We have D, how we're going to write it? We have D4. Kapag included, ano nga ang gagamitin natin? That is bracket. So, bracket 4, positive integers or positive infinity. Alright. Example number 11, we have f of x is equal to square root of x squared plus 3x minus 28. Ano yung factor niya? Ipa-factor natin siya katulad ng sa rational function. We have 28. Ano yung pwedeng yung mag-result pag pinag-add ng positive 3. So, mas malaki dapat yung positive kasi positive yung sign na nasa gitna. Therefore, we have the factor x plus 7 and x minus 4. Let us check. FOIL method, first x squared, outer by outer, negative 4x, inner by inner, 7x. So, 7x plus negative 4x, that is positive 3x. Then, 7 times negative 4, that is negative 28. Therefore, x is equal to 4 and x is equal to negative 7. So, anong gawin natin sa dalawang value na yan? Let us plot it into number line. Paano natin siya ipa-plot? Tingin nyo, included ba siya? Included sila. Pwede siyang maging 0. No? Pwede maging 0 siya. Okay? Pwede siyang maging 0. Let's try. Negative 7. Negative 7. Kapag tingnan natin yung mababa sa negative 7, let's have the negative 8. Halimbawa, isubstitute natin. Negative 8 plus 7, that is negative ang result. Negative 8 minus 4, negative pa rin yung result. Kapag pinag-multiply natin yung dalawa, that is positive yung kakalabasan, di ba? So, positive, pwede siyang maging value ng x. Okay? Let's try naman yung nasa kanan, mga positive numbers. Kapag sinubstitute natin, let's have the 5. 5 plus 7, positive ang kakalabasan, that is 12. So, siya ay positive kakalabasan niya. So, we have the x minus 4. 5 minus 4, that is 1. So, positive pa rin yung kakalabasan niya. Pwede pa rin siyang maging value or let's try yung gitna naman no, negative 7, 4. Let's try the 0. So, 0 plus 7 ay positive. Pero, yung 0 minus 4 ay negative. So, negative yung nasa gitna. Negative yung result ng gitna. Pwede ba yung mababa sa 7? Pwede, kasi positive yung magiging result niya. Pwede ba yung mataas sa 4? pwede kasi positive yung maging result niya dun sa loob ng radical sign. Paano natin isusulat sa interval notation? We have the negative infinity and negative 7. Included pa si negative 7. Sabi natin pwede maging 0. So, anong mangyayari? Isi-shade natin siya, yung circle. Kasi included si negative 7 and 4. Ano yung sign natin? That is bracket sign. Kapag included, bracket sign yung gagamitin. Ganun din sa 4, included siya. So, bracket sign. 4, positive infinity. Kasi nga, pwede ang mga positive integers. So, paano natin? As try the combination of rational and radical. Ibig sabihin siya, fraction in the may radical sign. So, we have f of x is equal to 2x minus 7 all over square root of x plus 3. Sabi nga natin, bawal yung baba kapag rational. Then, kapag radical, okay lang maging 0, pero bawal maging negative. So, kapag sa radical, x can be greater than or equal to negative 3. Kasi kapag sinubstitute natin negative 2, mas mataas sa negative 3. Negative 2 plus 3 is equal to 1. So, hindi dapat siya mas mababa sa negative 3. Hindi pwede yung negative 4. Okay? Negative 4 plus 3 kasi negative 4 plus 3 ay negative 1. Hindi pwede. Hindi rin pwede yung negative 3 kasi kapag pinag-substitute natin siya, hindi siya magiging sa rational function. Magiging siya 0. So, bawal ang may 0 sa baba kapag rational function. Dalawa yung ating ini-include natin dito o pinagbabatayan, the radical and rational. So, kasama dun sa first number line, gawa tayo number line, we have the negative 3 included sa negative 3 shaded. So, greater than, kasama din yung mga greater than sa negative 3. Dito naman, negative 3, hindi included si negative 3, pero pwede yung positive and negative numbers pagdating sa rational. Okay, yun nasa taas, siya ay sa radical. Dito na sa baba, sa rational siya. Okay, bakit siya shaded dun sa taas, included si negative 3 dito. Doon, sa radical. Kapag sa rational, hindi siya included sa negative 3. How are we going to write it? Negative 3, positive infinity. Bakit yan lang yung domain natin? Kasi yun yung intersection ng radical and rational function. Hindi naman natin pwede na i-include yung negative 3 kasi hindi naman siya suitable sa rational function. Kasi pag sinubstitute natin ng negative 3, yung rational function o yung function natin, siya ay magiging 0 yung baba. Hindi naman siya agree sa rational function. Bakit naman hindi natin sinama yung negative 3 pababa? Kasi naman hindi siya agree dun sa radical function. Bawal yung mga negative numbers na magiging value din sa radical function natin. So, hindi siya. Ating domain lang, negative 3, integers. Hindi included si negative 3, kaya siya ay parenthesis. So, sana maintindihan natin yan. Kaya, kailangan nating pag-aralan yan. Gagamitin natin yan sa limits. Okay? So, I hope maintindihan niyo yan. Let us have our last example. Example number 30. Medyo challenging tong example na ito. F of x is equal to square root of x is plus 3 all over square root of x squared minus 16. So, ang kailangan nating isa lang alang ay yung rule ng rational at radical pa rin. So, x can be greater than or equal to negative 3 dun sa taas, sa upper part. Dito sa lower part, it can be x squared minus 16 greater than 0. No? Greater than 0. Bakit greater than 0? Ba't hindi siya equal to 0? Kasi nga, bawal yung 0 sa baba. Bawal siyang is equal to 0 yung nasa baba natin. Nasa denominator natin. Okay? So, kapag sinubstitute natin siya ng 4 squared minus 16, so siya ay magiging 0. No? So, tingnan natin kung ano yung mga bawal. X plus 4 at saka siya ay x minus 4. Kaya siya ay magiging x is equal to negative 4, x is equal to 4. Kapag sinubstitute natin yung dalawa na yan, magkakaroon tayo ng 0. So, dapat hindi included si negative 4 at saka si 4. Now, let us have the number line of negative 3. So, yan yung ating number line. Bakit siya shaded? Included si negative 3. Tapos, graded din sa negative 3. How about this one? The next graph will be not included si alin? Si negative 4 and positive 4. No, hindi sila included. Kaya, hindi nga shaded yung circle. Open circle siya. Okay, let us check kung yung ating values is greater than ng 4 and less than ng 4 ay alin dun yung mag-negative siya. So, let's try. Kung siya ay ang value natin ay less than 4, siya ay halimbawa negative 5 plus 4 equals negative. Then, negative 5 minus 4 ay negative. So, siya ay positive. So, positive din siya. Kapag siya ay greater than 4, positive pa rin kasi 5 plus 4 ay 9. Positive pa rin. Then, 5 minus 4 ay 1. So, positive. Kapag yung 0 ang substitute natin, 0 plus 4 ay 4. 0 minus 4 ay negative 4. Kapag times negative, kaya yung nasa gitna nung negative 4 at 4 ay hindi pwede. So, let's have the intersection of it. So, pwede si negative 3 pa taas dun sa first. Kaso nga lang, take a look at this second number line. Hindi pwede yung nasa gitna ng negative 4 and 4. So, let's have the intersection of it. Okay. Included dun sa taas, dito sa baba. Hindi natin pwedeng include si negative 3 kasi bawal nga nasa gitna ng negative 4 and 4. So, it can be alin lang na intersection niya 4 and positive infinity. Now, included ba si 4? Hindi included si 4. Greater than lang niyang 4. Kaya nga parenthesis yung ganamit natin, greater than 4. So, hindi included si 4. Greater than 4, kaya siya positive infinity. Dahil mga positive integers, greater than 4 ang domain ng ating function na nasa taas. Okay, that's all. I hope you've learned a lot from today's discussion. And lagi lang nating natandaan kapag mga polynomials or real numbers ang kaniyang domain, kapag rational, bawal maging 0 yung nasa baba. Pero pwedeng maging negative numbers. Kapag radicals, pwedeng maging 0 yung nasa loob ng radical sign. Pero bawal maging negative numbers. For more discussion, please subscribe me and hit the button. Thank you.